In whatever you do, the most important thing is the intention. Not your age, not your gender, but it is the intention that will take you far ahead of the rest. But if you're wondering why I'm suddenly discussing about all of this with you, well, it's because I have a very, very special story to share. So today I'll start with that story, which will also be the highlight of the day. A young Indian golfer, Arjun Bhati, has sold all his trophies to raise money for PN Cares Fund. Bhati is a promising upcoming golfer and is supported by Virat Kohli Foundation. Bhati's trophy cabinet had more than 100 trophies, which included 3 trophies from World Golf Championship and a few from National Championships. Hard to believe, is it? Well, he managed to raise 4.30 lakh by doing this. India's hockey team coach Graham Reid thinks that Tokyo Olympics being postponed is a boon for India. He believes that it will give more time to the younger players especially to hone their skills and be ready for the big event. According to a report in the Times of India, he said, for youngsters it allows them an extra of 12 months to work with them, and it is also good for an opportunity for the youngsters to learn more about their playing style. Hockey India on Wednesday donated 21 lakh to Odisha Chief Minister Relief Fund to fight the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. Not only Hockey India, but chess players like Grandmaster P. Harikrishna are also doing their bit by contributing and raising money for the fight against COVID-19. He has raised more than 3 lakhs and contributed to this fight. Stuck in Kenya, runner Murli Gavit wants to return to India as soon as possible. Indian runner Murli Gavit Kumar had gone to Kenya for his training and now is stuck there because Kenya also is in partial lockdown. Now he's unable to come back, though he desperately wants to come back to India. Another big news is that after playing for 3 years with FC Goa, Ahmed Jahu to play for Mumbai City from next season. The report suggests that the shift is almost complete and anything concrete in terms of negotiations is yet to be decided. This season, Mumbai City had struggled with the midfielder, and now with Ahmed Jahu in place, I think this void can be filled now. A while ago, FC Goa's coach Serbio Lobera also chose Mumbai City over the table toppers. Well, this is the end for the sports updates of the day. See you tomorrow, and please don't forget to like and share our video.